Appetizer, sinilaw na po. Hello! We're here at Mandarin Bay. Lunch buffet. Lunch buffet.
May only lechon sila dito. Only lechon. Ay, ayan. There. We're having lunch.
Best lunch buffet.
Oo, because it's seafood. But during dinner, they have steak night. But they have Indian food and sashimis. That's why we will try it out some other time.
Ang sikat dito yung mga paluto nila. Seafood paluto. Which is again, ito. May mga clams. Merong crabs. Tapos meron siya shrimps. This is Cajun sauce na paluto.
Good morning. It's our first morning here in Henann. We're preparing kasi we're gonna go have breakfast. Our schedule is 8 till 10. Actually, wala naman schedule. Kaya lang, ayaw lang nilang mag-overcrowding dun sa garden restaurant. So, let's go! Oops! Morning! Here! It's raining. It's champurrado.
Pudding.
There's eggs. Oh, they have what do you call that? Maya egg?
Korean marinated egg.
Sweaty ground beef, chicken creole, vegetables, and yung fried rice. The first rice. Rice, the mayak egg, ground beef, sunny side up, tocino, more mayak eggs, and for my love,
Tocino, longganisa, Japanese
sausage.
plus chicken, Creole chicken, and then cream dory, small portion of rice, then mixed vegetables and egg. Eat na eat.
By the way, it's 9:22 in the morning. Their breakfast is until 10. So, I think, ano na namin to? Brunch. And then later, if mag-return kami, siguro, mag-ano kami, mag-chori burger or something. Let's visit, yung Newcoast. Kasi sabi nila kapag daw ganitong Habagat season, yung beach by Bulabog at saka doon sa bandang Newcoast, doon siya peaceful. Pwede kang mag-swim.
Hello! Punta kami Newcoast.
Kami ng Newcoast.
Newcoast.
Pero nandito pa kami kasi hindi kayo makalas kasi bilang umulan.
Dumaan lang.
There.
Right.
Thank you. Hey, love. We're here. We've arrived sa Boracay, Newcoast. Actually, first time namin dito. Natakot lang kasi kami dun sa, usually sa White Beach talaga kami. Kaso natakot kami dun sa waves. Dun sa White Beach kasi Habagat season ngayon. Kaya we decided to check this place out. Kita naman maganda dun naman yung beach, so we'll find out.
So, i-try kami. 300 mula sa hotel. Nandito.
Yeah.
Okay, Newcoast. Doon tayo dumaan kanina. Nalabas na. We're here at Aidalicious. We're gonna have Inasal. Aidalicious.
Sayang, ang ganda pa naman sana ng view. Kaya lang malakas yung hangin. So, they did advise na ano kami sa alfresco nila. Calamansi juice. Kung masarap. Mag-half-piece lang kami ni my love kasi nagda-diet na kami.
Ayan.
Saan po yung
Gumagalaw?
gumagalaw?
Ayan, oh, ayan, oh. Kasi buhay pa yan.
Buhay pa yan eh.
Wala.
Fresh from the sea.
Matigas yan, te.
Yes, sir.
Nakakatusok, ibig sabihin.
Ayan, kahit yan, oh.
Anong mas masarap dyan, te? Pareho lang sila
Pareho
ng
lang sila,
lasa.
sir. May difference talaga sa lasa nila, sir. Nasa inyo po kasi iba-iba tayong panlasa, sir. Yung iba, gusto nila ito, meron naman yung ito yung gusto nila.
Can you see? Gumagalaw pa. Oh,
Yeah.
fresh. Plus,
Para ma-compare nyo po yung
ayan.
Masarap din.
This one is
Better.
parang may pagka-gummy.
Mm.
Sarap. Pero mas gusto ko yung isa ate.
Ako rin dito.
Mas gusto mo yun, no? Mas masarap yun. Ito yung
manamis na miss.
Oo, manamis na miss. Ayan siya. Ito yung gusto ko.
Yan naman kasi firm yung laman niya.
Hi! Oh my goodness, where's the energy, guys? Come on, give us a party energy. Make it louder. One more time, everybody. Hello! Let's go.
Ready? Lie down. Lie down. Okay, are you ready? Fire in the hole.
Good morning. We're still in Boracay and it's still raining. Kahapon sobrang saya, napagod kami. Boses ko malat kasi katatawa tsaka kasi malakas yung music so malakas yung usapan doon. Si Vlad, nagre-ready siya. We're gonna have breakfast in a few. It's our anniversary. So, later, samahan nyo kami. We will celebrate our anniversary. How are we gonna celebrate our anniversary?
Yay!
Okay.
Paulan.
See you! Boracay talaga. Hi! Good morning! It's 10:32 in the morning and we're here having brunch at Kolai Mangyan. It's Station 1.
Station 1, tapat ng Willy's Rock.
Hinantay namin yung order namin kasi gutom na kami.
Brunch.
Chicken pastil with sunny side up, bulasing, and
Budbud special.
budbud special. Let's eat brunch!
Sarap ng bulasing. August 9, Boracay, White Beach. No swimming.
Yan ang swimming behind you.
Yeah. Nakita ang lakas ng alon, super lakas. Kaya bawal mag-swimming.
Pero the sun came out.
Ngayon lang kasi lumabas yung araw after 5 days.
And super ganda ng lumabas talaga lalo yung ganda ng White Beach. And the famous sand.
Nandito kami sa tapat ng Willy's Rock.
Willy's Rock. Last day namin today. And we're just basking on the beauty of the white beach.
So, 88 na lang, sir. Bali, pahiram na lang dito.
So far we've tried Banana Mama,
Mango Mama.
Mango Mama, and Ube Mama. Ube Mama for the second time. Last time kasi 29 namin. If I were to rate, I'll rate it 1 being the highest. I'll have Mango Mama, I'll have Ube Mama, and Banana Mama. Coco Mama hindi pa namin natatry, maybe later on. Ikaw, may love.
Ako number 1 sa akin yung Mango Mama. Then Ube Mama. Last na yung Banana Mama.
Actually, parang tayo siguro sila ng Mango Mama. Talaga yung Ube Mama. Ano, may love?
Gusto ko talaga ube lover ako. Hi, we're back in Mezze Kitchen kasi nung isang araw nabitin kami.
Favorite ko dito yung tuna belly kebab nila. Tapos yung tsaka yung kofta. Tapos yung sauce na yung may cilantro at tsaka yung cucumber. Ang ganda rin ng ambience dito. That's why we came. Merong mezze wrap doon sa may bulabog. Doon kami doon namin na-discover yung mezze wrap na masarap talaga. And then while walking to Bulabog, meron kami nadaanan namin itong Mezze Kitchen. Kaya we decided to try it here. And masarap dito, no? Maganda rin yung ambience dito.
Ganda yung ambience pero same food plus a few more dishes siya.
Yeah.
Meron siyang yung mga yung mga main dishes ng Mezze wrap. Meron din sila katulad ng mga in-order namin.
Yung hummus.
Hummus, yung mga yung mga kebab, meron sila dito. Tapos meron din silang mga own dishes nila dito.
Yes.
In addition yan.
Here is my order. I'm having 2 tuna belly. That's my favorite. That's kofta. This is my favorite sauce. And my love will have hummus. And that one is salmon. Roasted salmon. And my love will have the tea variants. Tuna belly, beef, at saka kofta. Bon appetit! Let's eat, my love!
Let's eat. Tuna favorite.